Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about Builderall, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is how do you sign up and create a Builderall account? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to create a Builderall account anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business, especially if you're doing content, you know that sometimes your viewers are going to ask for you to offer various products, and Builderall is a popular way to do that. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in their website, builderall.com. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my referral link there, but I've already pulled up their website and this is the home screen. Now here on the home screen, if you want to create a Builderall account, you're going to click on this blue Get Started Today button. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the pricing page. So they offer quite a few different pricing plans. So just kind of scroll through and then see which one fits with your goals. The main difference is going to be how many websites and how many emails and subscribers you're going to have on the Builderall program. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to go ahead and choose the advanced. Okay, once you do that, it's going to bring you to the checkout page. So you can choose to pay annually. You do end up getting a discount if you pay the whole year in advance. For me, I'm going to go ahead and do monthly. And next you want to go ahead and fill out this registration. If you have a discount code, be sure to enter it in here. Check my video description. I'll try to leave my discount code there, but I'm going to go ahead and fill this information in off screen. Okay, once you've entered in the required information, go ahead and click on create a new account. Okay, after your payment's been processed, it's going to show your email and your name and click on continue right here. And okay, a quick second later, it brings me here to my Builderall dashboard. So now I can go ahead and start putting together an email campaign. I can also start building my website. So there you have it guys. If you're wondering how to sign up and create a Builderall account, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.